Hello, and welcome to a very brief overview of this turn-based strategy game, which is tentatively titled Tides of Darkness, and is based in the Warcraft universe, for those of you who are familiar. This is just a brief demo of the GUI that I have created, pretty much entirely using Python and the Pygame module. So here you have a nice world map. As you can see, it's a very pretty map, if I may say so. Very, very nice. You have a nice mini-map in the top right, which is very functional. You can also scroll. Normally I'm scrolling with the arrow keys here, as you might imagine. And so the basic premise of this game is it is a turn-based strategy game in which you, at least initially, play as one of the factions within two sort of much larger factions, the Horde or the Alliance. And sort of there's this overarching conflict between the two sides. There can actually be a third side, depending on how circumstances go. And then within that, each individual faction has its own internal goals and plans and things it would like to get done. So it's sort of a combination of trying to accomplish overall goals while simultaneously angling to get your own stuff done. In this case, actually, in this particular iteration, as you can tell, this is obviously very much a work in progress, but in this iteration you can't see all the units on the map. We're restricting it now to just what would be seen by the current faction, which in this case is the Twilight's Hammer, which I am sort of selecting now. It's a little hard to see because I have windowed the screen for right now, but there he is down here. You can't escape me. There's Shogal. He is the leader of the Twilight's Hammer. He is a bad ogre. So yeah, you see the basic gameplay as it plays out is you will open up this program, the GUI, and it will sort of receive the latest game state from the server, and then you will be able to click on various units. Some are already done here. Let me clear these. Click on various units that you are in control of, as well as various bases, and assign them orders. And for units especially, it's as simple as just clicking on them and then saying, okay, I want you to go here. I would like you to go here. I'd also like you to go here, and so on and so forth. If you don't like that, you can take them and you can clear orders. And this is all happening. The moment you do this, the data is immediately getting updated in terms of the data that needs to be sent out to the server, and then re-updated if you decide to clear orders, and so on and so forth. You will see that such things as this ogre, for example, cannot move into the middle of the sea. That move will not be allowed, just as this juggernaut, which is the big horde ship, cannot move onto land. Just not allowed. So you will sort of go through and select your various units as well as the bases. Bases have their own orders that can be issued, and you can see there's a list of them here. There's actually a couple hidden down there because of the way I windowed this. There's a few more, but you can go ahead and issue them orders. I'm going to issue the destroy base order. Not that that's probably a good idea, but you'll see it pops up over here. That's also immediately goes into the data, and then if you would like to clear that, you can do so, and it goes back to having no orders. There's more complicated orders. For example, you can establish a caravan. So here's me giving the establish a caravan order. So then you do that, and then, whoops, that's not right. Let's build a new unit. So let's not do that, actually. Caravan is actually V, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, here's me. I can build a caravan route if I would like to. So here's me plotting out the route. It's a C caravan, and that's going to go there. And it has to end at a base, as you can see. And then, whoops, sorry, I just cleared the order, but you get it. So if I give that order again, here we go. And there you go. So now if you click on that base, it correctly has caravan to Northfang, which is this city over here, as you can see. So you can see the mini-map is very functional. The Fog of War, which is I'm very proud of, is also very functional. You can see that when you toggle Fog of War, you only see what you as the faction would see. And this is currently set to all Horde units, what all Horde units can see, so this would be their view of the map, and you can see that's true both on the main map and on the mini-map. So this has just been sort of a brief overview into how the GUI for this game works. Obviously, it's still a work in progress, but I'm very, very excited to keep working on it. Thanks so much for watching.